Welcome back. We have met a long time before, I think. I have started atomic structure and stopped in between. Okay, let's start again. I am Jaswanth. Now we are going to revise some topics which we have discussed previously in atomic structure. Atomic structure. Okay, I am gonna give just a short explanation of all the things which we have discussed. Okay, start. Fundamental particles. There are many particles in an atom, present in an atom. Electron, proton, neutron, positron, antipositron, pions, mesons, etc. Electron, proton, neutron are considered as fundamental particles of an atom. Okay. Who discovered electron? J. Thomson discovered electron. By what? By doing the experiment of cathode ray discharge tube experiment. He used some ideal conditions. In discharge tube, we take some gas H2, Li plus 2, anything we take Li, lithium gas. Anything we can take, no problem. And while we send the electricity, they are ionized and they produce electrons in the form of cathode rays. For that, to ionize them, we use these conditions. Low pressure 0.01 mm Hg, mercury. High voltage means more amount of electricity is sent into that of 10,000 volts. Does not depend on the nature of electrode and gas taken in discharge tube. What I have said, any gas we can take, and the electrodes, positive electrode and negative electrode. Previously we had drawn a diagram and represented it like this, right? This is the battery, plus minus some exhaust pump here, positive electrode, negative electrode, and the cathode rays going towards the anode. This is what we have discussed. These electrodes we can take anything, but one should be positive electrode and another should be negative electrode. This is negative electrode. From negative electrode, negative rays travel towards positive electrode. Okay? Does not depend on the nature of electrode and gas taken in discharge tube. E by m ratio of electron. E by m ratio means dividing the charge of an electron with the mass of the electron. Charge of electron. We will discuss in the charge. I'll just say the value for now. 1.75 into 10 power 8 coulomb per gram or 1.758 into 10 power 11 coulomb per kg. Mass of moving electron and mass of electron in rest. They both are not same. Mass of, let's take an example. Same this example only. In cathode ray, we produce electricity and the rays flowing with any speed. We don't know about that. With some speed it moves. Maybe light speed, I think. Okay. What is the speed? That is the V. We don't know that speed. So we kept V. The electron is moving with V speed. What is the mass of it? Mass of electron divided by root over 1 minus, well, V square by C square. What is C? Speed of light is equals to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay. This is the formula which is used for deriving the mass of an electron moving. Means it is in motion. That's it. Now charge. Who discovered charge? Charge was discovered by Millikan. And how did he discover it? By oil drop experiment. I think we had not discovered discussed about it, right? But no problem. That is not such topic which we get questions on it. That's just a small topic. We should know about the experiment what he has done. That's enough. Charge is always an integral multiple of 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. If we need to say the charge in ESU, 4.8 into 10 power minus 10 ESU. By doing the experiment, he stated that charge means one oil drop there. What is the charge on it? Some 8 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Okay? Means it's 5 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, right? Yes or no? 5 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Means he said that the charge on the oil drop is an integral multiple of 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. That only here. Q is equals to N into E. N means integers 1, 2, 3. Positive integers or natural numbers. Okay. What is mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 coulomb per gram. If you remember, E by M ratio and charge of electron, don't consider the negative sign, okay, while calculating mass. We can simply do E by M. This is not a matter to remember. We can remember the small values, okay. Next, a small problem on it. Number of electron present in an oil drop of charge 8 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. This is what total charge on the oil drop. A small diagram. Q is equals to 8 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. E. What is E? Don't consider the negative sign. It's just to represent that. It's an electron. Q is equals to Ne. N is equals to 5. Small calculation 1.6 5 times. Q by E. N is equals to. Okay. Done. Now about proton. Electron completed. Let's discuss proton. Who discovered it? Discovered by Goldstein. Goldstein. Okay. Discovered by Goldstein. Electron was discovered by cathode ray discharge tube experiment. What about proton? Proton means positive. Means anode. Anode ray discharge tube experiment. Discharge tube experiment. Does it have any conditions? Yes. These rays depend upon the nature of gas taken and electrode material in the discharge tube. Okay. What gas we take generally? It does not have ideal conditions like pressure, voltage, not like that. They need the materials. They don't need the conditions. They need the materials. What is the gas taken? E by M ratio of positive rays is maximum when H2 gas is taken. Think why? H2 has the least mass, hydrogen 1.008 AMU. That's the least mass in the periodic table. So the least mass E by M, mass A decreases, E by M increases. So the H2 gas taken, while we take H2 gas, it's maximum. What is the electrode material? Electrode material. This is according to the condition, according to the gas we consider about it. We don't have specifically. Okay. Next. Artificial radioactivity. If we want to get proton, artificial radioactivity, artificial radioactivity. What is the thing we do? We should take a discharge tube, pass electricity, keep a perforated cathode, anything anode, pass electricity and get the positive rays. No need. Take beryllium 49 and beryllium. No need of beryllium. That's another case. Don't take beryllium. Take nitrogen. When nitrogen is bombarded with helium, we get protons. Nitrogen 714 plus He2 4. Is this okay? What we get? Oxygen isotope O817 plus 1 H1. 7 plus 2 9. 8 plus 1 9. 14 plus 4 18. 17 plus 1 18. Just showing like that. Okay, what is the mass? Let's discuss about it. Don't say that I did not say that about the charge. Positive, right? what I said for proton, positive 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs plus, this is important to represent. What is the E by M ratio? 9.58 into 10 power 7 coulomb per kg, or 9.58 into 10 power 4 coulomb, 10 power 4 coulomb per gram. This is the E by M ratio. Okay. Now, what is the mass? Same logic. E by M. No problem. I'll write it directly. 1.758 into 10 power minus 28 coulomb per kg, or 1.758 into 10 power minus 31 coulomb per gram. What are you doing? 10 power minus 24 grams. 10 power minus 27 kg. I have written coulomb per gram and coulomb per kg. Oh my god. Okay, let's compare some charges and masses with respect to H plus or hydrogen. H plus or hydrogen or proton. How many names do they have? We can't do anything. Okay, let's say proton plus 1. Okay, 1.602 plus 1. Electron minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs minus 1. Neutron, we have not discussed about it because it's just a small topic. N01 represented like this. Who discovered it? James Chadwick. Sometime due to these names we confuse between Rutherford and James Chadwick, I think. Because James Chadwick and Rutherford are big names which we use. Rutherford atomic model and James Chadwick discovered neutron. I think we confuse. Yes or not? I will see. Neutron. Neutron? Neutral. Neutral particle does not have any charge. 0. Now coming to the mass. Same condition. Electron 1 by 1837 of the hydrogen mass. Very small value, right? 9.1 into 10 power minus 28 grams. Yes, very small value. But we just consider its mass because we can't neglect the mass. That's why we consider. And proton with respect to proton 1. Neutron likely to be equal and 1. Now, what is alpha particle? In artificial radioactivity, we use this. Helium is known as alpha particle. Beta. What is beta? Electron, positron. In that I said, right? E minus 1, 0. Beta minus 1, 0. Beta plus 1, 0. Mostly I think we don't talk about all these symbols, we don't use. Just I'm saying for an idea. 0 and 1. That's common. And gamma. Maths. In maths we represent like this. No problem. Gamma 0, 0. Okay. What is the velocity? For this, C by 10 means C by 10 means 3 into 10 power 7 meter per second. For beta, it's nearly equal to C. Means it is having velocity of nearly equal to light velocity. Gamma, it has equals to the speed of light. Highest velocity in both. Penetrating power. PP, that's enough. Penetrating power. If alpha has 1, beta is saying that I will be having 100. If beta has 100, gamma is saying that I will be having 1000, not R, gamma. No problem. What is the order of penetrating power? alpha less than beta less than gamma. Simple, a small one. Ionizing power. Alpha greater than beta greater than gamma. Reverse order. They are having reverse order. Now I'm not going to discuss about all the atomic models. They make the topic lengthy, but they won't be completing properly. So I'm laying about it that if you need, you can also visit that my videos. I have already said about that. For atomic models, you can visit my videos. Now let us see about Moseley's equation. Generally, I think we discuss in periodic classification, right? Moseley's equation. What he said, root nu is equals to a of z minus p. A be constant. For k alpha, comma k beta, b has a value of 1, and p alpha, k gamma and k delta, they have b value 2. Okay, means what? These are what? K alpha, k beta, k gamma, k delta. While solving the problems, they give that alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, delta rays. Then what we have to take the value of b? They did not give. It's an objection question. No. K alpha means 1, beta means 1, gamma means 2, delta means 2. Like that we take. Z means atomic number. Nu means frequency. These are the values which we need. Okay? And now coming to the next one. Root nu is equals to a into z minus b. Graph. In which form it is? Y is equals to mx. Root mu on the y-axis, positive y-axis, and z minus b on the x-axis. Slope. What is a slope? Tan theta is known as slope. Some angle just for representation. Slope is equals to m is slope. We did not discuss about it, but no problem. We will discuss about them in the future. For now, just remember, slope is equals to m is equals to a. Okay. This is the graph of root nu is equals to a into z minus b. Okay. Today mostly we did not discuss about any new topic. We have just revised about it. We took a long gap. That's why I have revised all the topics. Some topics I left which will take more time, and they are lengthy topics. To discuss everything, drawbacks, if we discuss all about them, it's a lengthy topic. So I left about it. You can revisit. This is what first we have discussed: electron, proton, neutron. I just said about it, and Moseley's equation about alpha, beta, gamma, mass, all those. And in next video, we will discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. We have stopped near wavelength. I think wavelength, frequency, energy, all those we will be discussing in the next one. Okay, thank you.